my channel. If you are new here, which you probably are, my name is Autumn and I would love if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I have the lovely BOXYCHARM box here. If you do not know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box that is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items. I love this box. I love makeup and I love subscription boxes, surprises, all of the above, but this happens to be my favorite box. I've been getting it for like a year now and I have yet to be disappointed, so I'm super excited to open this, and I'm always super excited to open mine. So if you haven't checked it out, I would definitely recommend to check out BOXYCHARM. Like I said, $21 a month for full-size products. Yes, who doesn't love that? So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into this. I have yet to open this, so I'm pretty excited about it. So usually it comes with this little pamphlet. I really like this just because it has coupons on the back, which everybody loves coupons. Well, I do. I love coupons. And then it shows all of the items that you will be getting, and then a kind of a brief description, and then the retail price. I'm not going to look at it because I'm not going to ruin it. And then there's like a theme for every month. So this is the Goal Digger theme. So let's see what we have. First we have lashes. Lashaholic luxury lashes. This is what they look like. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, look at the gold glitter. I'm a big fan of that. And let's see what they look like. I love lashes, by the way. I love lashes. Okay, these are cool. These are cute. I really like these. They're different. This is what they look like. These are actually lashes that I would wear. I hate when lashes are like too stiff to go on the lash line and then they don't stay and then they bother me and then I have to cut them, and then I hate that. So I'm hoping that these will be really good lashes. I'm super excited to try these, and let's see how much these retail for. Those retail for $14.99, so not bad. $21. These are already about $15, so right on, something I will definitely use. Next, it looks like we have brushes. These are from Luxie. Oh my gosh, I think I love this theme, the Goal Digger theme. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. These are brushes that I will definitely use. I like that these are teeny tiny over here. Oh my gosh, so teeny. I love that because I don't really have tiny brushes anyways, and I hate in the corners. I always just like make a huge mess. So I really like these brushes, and they're really cute down here. This fold looking thing. I don't know if I can open this, that's why I'm not. Yeah, I think I definitely need scissors to open this. Oh, maybe not, I lied. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love them. I usually am not a big fan about getting brushes because I'm a really big fan of just either buying the same brush that I always have or cleaning it and then, like I said, buying the same brush that I know I like. So I'm not open-minded to brushes, but I really do like these brushes. These are awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use them. And look at this. So that's what they look like. And then look at the bottoms. Super cute. Love it. Yay. So Luxie brushes, 4 of them, they retail for $21. So right there, box is already paid for. Yay. These are brushes I will definitely use. Next, we have a liner, it looks like. Glittering star eyeliner. This is by Jonte Blue in the color black color, Update Your Eyes. So super cute packaging. Once again, this is what it looks like. Super cute, like gold, glittery packaging. I'm not going to open this because I don't know how. Yeah, I can't get it open. But not a big fan of eyeliners just because I don't wear eyeliner, and if I do, it's on the top and I use a liquid. But I actually might try this because it's not black. I'm hoping it's not black. Yeah, glittering star eyeliner. I hope it's really glittery actually. So I'll actually try this. Super excited about that. And let's see how much that retails for. That retails for $5. So very rarely do they have items that are $5, or I mean, like, I should say on the lower end, but I don't mind when they do because at least, like I said, the brushes are $21. That pays for the box, and I would definitely pay $21 for those, so not mad about it. Okay, next we have, oh my gosh, Cover FX glitter drops. I have been wanting this so bad. I actually got some of this for a festival, for a gift, and then I didn't end up going to the festival, so I never used it, and then I don't know what happened to it. I'm gonna be real honest with you. I don't know what happened to it, so I was really sad about that. But oh my gosh, I'm super excited to try this. Yes, oh my gosh, yes, I love this. Sorry, I'm having a moment. But these are just glitter drops in the shade Nova. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh my god, all of these are so pretty. Oh wait, it says shake before opening, and I should definitely do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes, this is what it looks like swatched. I'm gonna kind of rub it in. Yeah, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I love it. And I really like that you can actually like put it on your face and then mix it like with your foundation, or you can do like the teardrops, you know, like for a festival, the glitter tears, or just kind of use it as like a highlighter. You can kind of rub it in how I did and on your cheeks for a highlighter. I just love how universal and so pretty they are. So that retails for $44. Yes. So yay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So on to the next. This is last but not least. We have a Ace Beauty Grandoni palette. I am not a good reader, so don't judge me. But we have a palette here. I think every month you do get a palette. I don't think I've not gotten a palette, and I usually wasn't a palette person. I'm like build your own palette person, but I, like I said, love every palette that I get. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Yes, so these are what the shades look like. There is 8 shades. This is what they look like. I've actually never heard of this, so I'm kind of excited to try this. Let's try this jasmine color. I'm gonna do this jasmine. Ooh, these are pretty. And then we'll do poppy. Poppy. Just kidding, poppy. Okay, these are really pretty. I'm actually excited to try this because these are actually really pretty. So this is going to be the poppy, this bright red one right here, and then this is jasmine, the lighter one. So these are really pretty, really pigmented. I'm actually gonna use this, to be honest with you. Not that I don't use anything, but like I said, I just love this. I love this box. Then that retails for $24.99. Hashtag Ace Goals. Ooh, yay. So yeah, right there, everything I'm super happy about. Like I said, I'm definitely excited to try the lashes, the brushes, the palette, and of course the Cover FX. I would definitely check them out. Like I said, you can pay, I think, like 3 months in advance, and it's a little bit cheaper, and then you can pay for 6 months in advance and it's cheaper, and then 12 months in advance it's even cheaper. But if not, it's just $21 a month. So I think that's a good deal. I do the month to month because at first I didn't know if I was going to keep it, but I've been really happy with it. So you should definitely check it out. I will link it in the description below, so definitely check it out. And you also can get, if you leave reviews, you can get like certain points, and then points turn into dollars, and then you can like get items. You can choose from items to use your charms, I should say. They're charms. Charms. And like get different items. So I actually was gonna get this Cover FX once I got enough points. I think I am at enough points, but if not, I'll leave reviews for all of these items once I use them, and then I will get more charms. I keep saying points. I'll get more charms and then be able to get something, but I'll actually get something different because I received that. So definitely check it out. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And then leave any comments, questions, concerns, anything. I would love to hear from you guys. I definitely appreciate all of the love and support, and I will see you next time. Thank you.